Hi friends, welcome to Srisai IT Hub. In this video of Core Python Programming, we are going to discuss the following topic: Python string assignments and string deletions. So first of all, what are strings in Python? So string is a collection of any characters. So the definition goes like this: collection of characters represented in single quotes or double quotes or triple quotes. For example, you can take hello in single quotes or welcome to Python in double quotes. And optionally, we can also use triple quotes. And these are used to represent multi-line string. So now coming to string indexes. So every string in Python is provided with an index to the characters. For example, SS hello, HELLO. So the indexes are 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 left to right, or -5, -4, -3, -2, -1, which is right to left. So here we use square brackets slice operator to access characters of a string. Example, SS of 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. HELLO, first to last. And similarly, SS of -4, -3, -2, -1. So here it is HELLO. If you take -1 to -5, it is OLLEH. So now coming to string assignments or string updations. So basically, when you provide a particular string to a variable and try to update it, we will get a new string. It means that once a string data is assigned, it cannot be modified. And technically it is called as immutable string or immutable data. So which means that original data cannot be modified, but we can reassign a new data. So that is what is called as immutable. Okay, for example, SS hello. Now if we try to change SS of 0, first character, to K, you will get an error, no modifications to the original data. But we can reassign with a new data. SS is equals to world. Hello will be replaced by world. So this is called as immutable data. Original data cannot be modified, but we can reassign it with a new data. So new data, new string, it is possible. Now coming to the string deletions, we will use del keyword, okay, to delete a particular string from the memory of the program. For example, SS hello. Okay, so here delete SS of 0. We cannot delete individual characters from a string because it is immutable. Immutable means original data cannot be modified. Okay, but we can delete the whole string. Delete SS. So the reference which is pointing to hello in the memory will be deleted. So let us try to demonstrate this with a small program. Python string assign delete example 1. So first take comments at the beginning of the program. So initially I'm taking SS hello print SS. So let us execute till here. So put comment for the remaining case. So save this program, come to the prompt where you have saved the program and run it. So SS contains hello. So next we will take SS of 0. So I'm trying to change the first character H with K and print SS. So it is not possible. You will get a error. So string object, str is the data type of a string object. Every value is an object in Python. Does not support item assignment. Okay. So we cannot modify the original string because it is immutable data. Right. So let us put comment for this. Okay. So simply print ss. It is printed. Hello for the second time. Now coming to the next one, I'm taking ss world, print ss. So here reassigning with a new string is okay, but original string cannot be modified. So the new string is world. So next coming to, once again I'm taking ss hello and try to delete ss of 0. Right. So when you try to delete ss of 0, so string object does not support item deletion. So assignment is not possible. Deleting a particular character so that it is modified is also not supported by the string. So next I can say delete ss. So that particular reference will be deleted from the memory. ss, which is pointing to hello object in the memory. Okay. So this reference will be deleted. Okay. Right. So this reference is deleted. Fine. So, and then after that, if I say print ss, I will get a error. ss is not defined. So save this, run. So after deleting ss, ss is not defined. When I try to print it, print ss. So this is how we are supposed to work with string assignments and string deletions in a Python program. So basically, string is a immutable object. Thank you for watching this video. Do like, comment, and share this video. And also subscribe to the YouTube channel, Sri Sai IT Hub. Have a nice day.